For decades, global manufacturing operated on a fragmented model. Production was spread across numerous countries, each specializing in specific components or stages of assembly. This division of labor was driven by cost efficiency, access to resources, and specialized skills. China emerged as the world's factory, leveraging its vast labor pool and low production costs. This fragmented system created complex supply chains that spanned continents. Goods often crossed borders multiple times before reaching consumers. This intricate web of production fostered economic interdependence but also introduced vulnerabilities. Disruptions in one part of the world could ripple through the entire system, as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic. The era of fragmented manufacturing is now giving way to a new paradigm: consolidation. Several factors are driving the shift towards consolidated manufacturing. Rising labor costs in traditional manufacturing hubs like China are eroding their competitive edge. Automation and advanced robotics are reducing the need for large, low-skilled workforces. Additionally, geopolitical tensions and trade disputes are prompting countries to reevaluate their dependence on foreign suppliers. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of global supply chains, leading to a push for greater resilience and self-sufficiency. Furthermore, consumers are increasingly demanding customized products and faster delivery times, which favors localized production closer to end markets. National security concerns are playing a significant role in the move towards consolidated manufacturing. Governments are recognizing the strategic importance of domestic production capabilities, particularly in critical industries such as semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, and defense equipment. Reliance on foreign suppliers for essential goods can create vulnerabilities during times of conflict or political instability. Consolidating manufacturing within national borders or with trusted allies enhances supply chain security and reduces dependence on potential adversaries. Section 4. Challenges of consolidation: navigating the bumps. The transition to a consolidated manufacturing model presents several challenges. Building new factories and developing domestic supply chains require significant investments. Countries may face a shortage of skilled labor, necessitating investments in education and training programs. Adjusting to new technologies and production processes can be disruptive for existing industries and workforces. Section 5. Opportunities in consolidation: a world of potential. Despite the challenges, consolidated manufacturing offers numerous opportunities. Bringing production closer to consumers can reduce transportation costs and lead to faster delivery times. Localized manufacturing can also create new jobs and stimulate economic growth in regions that have struggled with deindustrialization. Furthermore, consolidation can foster innovation by encouraging collaboration between manufacturers, research institutions, and technology companies. This can lead to the development of new products and processes that enhance competitiveness. Section 6. Case study: India's manufacturing rise. India is emerging as a key player in the global shift towards consolidated manufacturing. The Indian government has launched several initiatives, such as Make in India, to attract foreign investment and promote domestic production. India's large and growing consumer market, coupled with its skilled workforce and improving infrastructure, make it an attractive destination for manufacturers.